Hello students, welcome. This is the second video of the same chapter, that is Geography of India chapter 3. If you have not seen the first video, then you can find it from the playlist, so please do watch so that you can connect the things properly. So let's start. So today we will start from Physiographic Division of India. Every video I used to say that student please read the chapter and then you watch the video so that you can connect the things properly. See, India is a vast country. In terms of size, it is 7th largest country, and in terms of population, it is 2nd populous country in the world, next to China. Okay, these are the things you have to remember, because from there short question may come in your exam, and these are the things you have to remember for any competitive exam and all. You see, this country is 13 times larger than United Kingdom. Students, I will not read line by line. I will just explain the things given in your book. See, 13 times larger than United Kingdom and 9 times larger than Japan, means 13 United Kingdom togetherly make India, and 9 times if you add Japan, then you can get single India, means 13 times larger than United Kingdom and 9 times larger than Japan. See, out of total land area of the earth, India covers 2.4% of land out of the total land area cover of the earth, and because of large size, India is called subcontinent, means smaller than a continent. Almost we can say a continent, because not a full size continent but a subcontinent. Students, if you find the information helpful, then please subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos for you. Now see 3.3 Physiography. India is a country of diversified physiography, means so many types of landform are there. Now I will explain serially. Among the different types of physiography, the major landforms are mountains, hills, plateaus and plains, etc. Now see, mountains cover almost 10.7% of total land of our country, that is India, and hill cover almost 18.6% of total land of India, and plateaus cover 27.7% of total land of our country. See, plains occupies almost 50% of total land of our country, that is India. In the book it's given 43.3%. We can say almost 50% of our total land covered by plains. Now see the mountain ranges of our country, that are Aravalli range, Vindhya range, Satpura range, and here you will find Western Ghats, and this side you will find Eastern Ghats. These are the mountain ranges of our country. These are the things given in your book. You can relate it nicely by reading the chapter. Now see, the major lakes found in India are: number 1, Ular Lake, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. You can say it is in Kashmir, Ular Lake. And then Pushkar and Sambar Lake in Rajputana, Chilika Lake in Odisha. Now see, Kolar and Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu, Loktak Lake in Manipur. Now see, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the major rivers of North India. Other than Ganga and Brahmaputra, the South Indian rivers are Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. These are the important rivers of South India. Now the basic difference between North Indian river and South Indian river, I will explain this. Now see, North Indian river and South Indian river. You will find water in North Indian river throughout the year, and you will not find the water in South Indian river throughout the year. Why? Because North Indian rivers are in high altitude. That's why snow melts because this river comes from high mountain, and in high mountains there are snow, and snow keeps on melting throughout the year. That's why when snow melts, you will find water throughout the year. because of the ice are melting, and slowly when the ice will melt, then water will flow. But in case of South Indian river, these rivers are not coming from high altitude mountains. They are mainly depend on rainwater. That's why in winter season, when there is no rain, the river used to dry out. This is the basic difference between North Indian river and South Indian river. In North Indian river you will find water throughout the year, and South Indian river usually they are dried up in winter because no rain, no water. And North Indian river, although there is no rain, but the ice keep on melting, and when ice melt, the water will flow. Now see the another difference between North Indian river and South Indian river. North Indian rivers are very wide river, whereas South Indian rivers are very narrow. They are very narrow rivers. Since they are very wide, the current of the water are very slow. The water moves very slowly. When the water's moving very slowly, then people can navigate. People can move from one place to another through the river because water is moving very slowly. So people can navigate. People can navigate through boat, ship, and all. But in case of South Indian rivers, since the river is very narrow, the current of the water is very high. The water moves very fast. So people cannot navigate from one place to another through a river. This is the another difference of North Indian river and South Indian rivers. Now see the another difference is North Indian valleys, river valleys are very fertile. That's why you will find because the land is very fertile, people are densely populated because they can cultivate. That's why people densely populated in this river valley. But in case of South Indian river valleys are less fertile. That's why peoples are not densely populated like North Indian river valleys. Now see, North Indian rivers are very long, and when this river meet with the sea, then the river make deltas. But in case of South Indian rivers, they make deltas, but not like North Indian rivers. South Indian rivers mostly they make estuaries. When they meet with the sea, they make deltas, but in less in numbers. But in case of North Indian rivers, they make deltas. So I will continue explaining the chapter in the next video. Thank you for watching, students.